Everybody, it's Danny here with Danny Reviews, and you need to stop struggling with those impossible tight spaces where your drill just won't fit. You have to take apart an entire piece of furniture just to reach one screw. You need to see this. This here is a 13-piece right angle drill adapter set, which is a total game changer for any DIYer who's working on projects or home repairs. And the star of the show is this little beauty right here. This here is the 105-degree right angle head. And it turns, right? It's got a 1/4-inch hex, so it should fit in most drills, right? So we could see here, right? So this is going to allow you to get back into those tight corners behind washing machines, you name it. If there's a tight spot, maybe under your glove box that you're needing to get to, right? So this would have been impossible with this bulky drill to get into those tight spots, but with this right angle, now we can, right? And maybe this one's too long, we can undo this and put our short one in. Right, so now we have a shorter arm. So really cool. Then you can throw everything in this bag so you have everything nicely, neatly tucked away. And so I've been using this to loosen bolts behind, again, like I said, I actually use it behind the washing machine. I used it in places where they're just unreachable. So this will save you so much time and frustration. I highly recommend picking up this set. Keep it in your toolbox. It's one of those tools you're so glad you have. So the next time you're in a pinch, you know you can get into those tight spaces because you have this set. Definitely check it out.